Hi, this is part 2 of the notes for 1B. We're going to start up here at example 3, and we're going to find all the measures of the missing angles. So angle 6 is given information, so 6 is 142. So I just put it on my picture. Now, when we're looking at parallel lines, these two here, cut by a transversal, it divides it into 8 angles. 4 of those angles are one measure, the other 4 are the supplement of that measure. So if I look here and I want to highlight the ones that are equal to 142, obviously 6 is, 1 is 142 because they are vertical. 6 and 8 are both 142 because they are corresponding. And of course 3 is also 142 because of corresponding, alternate interior, and vertical. So when I come over here to put those numbers in, for angle 1 is 142, angle 6 is given as 142, angle 3 is 142, and angle 8 is 142. Sometimes it is hard when you're trying to find the missing measures to just go in order, so I always suggest look at the picture, do all the work, and then just transfer the numbers over. Now, that group of 4 is equal. The other 4 angles, 2, 5, 7, and 4, all of them are also equal, but they're going to be the supplement of 142. So if you remember, supplementary means 180 minus the 142 gives me 38. That means these 4 angles here all equal 38. So angle 2 equals 38, 38, 38, and 38. Example 4, same thing except we just got more angles to deal with. So they're telling me angle 5 is 82, so I'll squeeze that in here. So I think the best way is just use a highlighter or some colored pencil. So angle 5 and 8 are going to be the same because they are vertical. 5 and 6 are corresponding. 6 and 9 are vertical. 5 and 4 are corresponding, and 4 and 7 are vertical. Do you see the pattern? The pattern is these going this direction are all going to be the same measurement. Okay, in this case, they're all going to be 82. So angle 4 is 82. 7, 82. 5, we already know. 8, 82. And same thing with 6 and 9. So that's one group, in this case, one group of 6 angles. The other group of 6 angles is also going to be all equal to each other, but they are going to be the supplement of 82. So 180 minus 82 gives me 98. So these 6, okay, when I'm looking here at the picture, these 6 are all 98. 98, 98, and so forth for those 6. Any questions on, if you have any questions, please let me know on that. All right, let's go to this one, example 5. We got our transversal lines here are kind of crisscrossing, so we have to be a little bit careful on this one. But again, I always suggest to go ahead and just look at the picture. So I'm going to kind of blow that up here a little bit so we can see it. So I'm going to look at the picture and find out all the angles, and then I'll go plug them in over here in the answers. So angle 12 is 121, and angle 6 over here is 75. Now, these are a little harder when you're starting to look at what angles are equal to each other and what groups. Obviously, this group of 4, they're all related. So angle 7 is going to be 121. Angle 8 and 11 are also going to be equal to each other, but it's going to be the supplement of 121, which is 59. So this is 121, vertical. This is 59, linear pair. Okay, so there's 4 of them. I know it's kind of hard to get into those little spots there. This we cannot cross over here, because if you remember, one of the things has to be, they have to be in the same transversal. So this group of 4 and this group of 4 have different transversals, so we cannot pick a angle pair between those two. Now, if I look here, this angle and this one have the same transversal. They are same side interior, so that means the supplement, or 180 minus 121, which is 59, is what angle 4 is going to be. Okay, if you have to cover up all this stuff right there, 4 and 7 are on the same side, and they are interior. And there's lots of ways to go. I'm just kind of showing you my way here. 59 and angle 3 here are vertical angles. They're going to be the same. Which angle is vertical with 6? Okay, moving across here, that is the 75 also. Now, what about 2 and 5? What do you see about them? They're going to be vertical, so they're going to be the same, but what is their measurement going to be? Well, this line right here, okay, angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 make up that 180 degrees. So between these two and the missing one, they have to add up to be 180 degrees. So when I do that, add these up, subtract from 180, and I get 46. So angle 5 is also 46. Okay, you with me so far? If not, stop and rewind and go back and see if you can follow along. So we still have these 4 angles to go over. Okay, I can use this same transversal. So angle 6 and angle 14 are considered corresponding, so they're going to be equal. And once I know one of these 4, I can get the other 3, right? So verticals, 75. Supplementary, because this is a linear pair, 180 minus 75 is 105. Vertical, 105. So let's see if we can transpire all that mess there. So let's go with angle 1, 75. Angle 2, 46. 3 and 4 are both 59. Angle 5 is 46. Again, I'm looking here. Angle 7 is 121. Right there. Then we got a 59 for angle 8. And a 75. Scoot this over. Angle 10 will be 105. If you look over in our picture, that's what it says, right? 105. Angle 11 is 59. Angle 13 is 105. And the last one is going to be 75. All right, let's take a look at example 6. Angle 7 is 38. Angle 10 is 102. Okay, so first thing you have to kind of look at, because there's lots of different things here, is that these lines are the parallel lines. This is a transversal and this is a different transversal. So this group, those are the related ones, and this group is the related ones. Okay, so I'm going to have you stop the video right now. I want you to take a little time, and I want you to find those, knowing that one of them is 102. And then I want you to find these down here, knowing that one of them is 38. So stop the video, do those, and I'll show you the answers. And here you go. Let's see if we can get those all in there. So stop the video, check your paper, and we won't do example 7. We'll just pass that one by. And make sure you ask some questions if you're not sure of what we did. Thanks.